Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says solve 2 raised power x equals to x raised power 32. Now, let's solve this specially. Let me write the question. 2 raised power x is equal to x raised power 32. Now, the first thing I would like us to do here is to raise this to the inverse of this power multiplied by this power. So this power multiplied by this power will give us 32x. So we raise both sides to the inverse of 32x. So I'm also going to write x raised power 32. And then I'm also going to raise this side to the inverse of 32 multiplied by x, which is 32x. So now let's simplify this. X here, we cancel x because when we have situations like this, the powers multiplies each other. So when this x multiply this 1 over 32x, the x will cancel x. And then when we also have this 32 multiplying 1 over 32x, 32 will also cancel 32. So what will be left here with is 2 raised to the power 1 all over 32. And then what will be left here is x raised to power 1 all over x. So now, the next thing that we're going to do is to see how, because this is the base x, and then this denominator here is also x. Because of that, we're also going to see how we can have the same values of denominator and this base here on this left-hand side. Now, the question is, how do we get the value that will make these two numbers to be equal? Now, the trick that has to be applied there is quite simple. Now, what I would like us to do is to take this number. Now, we are going to manipulate numbers now. So, we're going to say 2 raised to the power of a particular number. Let's say that number is a. And it will be equal to 32 multiplied by that power. So what we are going to look for now is how we can raise this 2 to a particular power, an exponent, such that when we multiply that exponent by 32, this 32 here, the two values will be equal. So now let's start by testing numbers. So for example, let's say 2 raised to power 5, and that will be equal to 32. Will it be equal to 32 multiplied by 5? 32 multiplied by 5 will give us 180. So you can see now 2 raised power 5 is not 32 multiplied by 5. These two numbers are not equal. So let's try another values. Let's say 2 raised power 7. 2 raised power 7 will give us 128. And then let's see now 32 multiplied by 7. 32 multiplied by 7 will give us 224. So these two numbers are still not equal. So we have not arrived there yet. Let's try another number. Let's say 2 raised power 8 now. 2 raised power 8 will give us 256. And then let's say 32 multiplied by that 8. 32 multiplied by 8. And that will give us 256. Yes, we are there now. So now that we have this value and these values, we can now say yes, we have arrived. We're almost at the answer. So if you check, it is 2 raised power 8 that is equal to 32 multiplied by 8. So this is the trick that has to be applied in any form of equations like this. So the trick has to be, you get a particular exponent for that base of this number, and that exponent multiplied by the 32 in the question there, that once they are equal, that give you the answer that you are looking for. So we can now come back to this equation and we write it differently now. So that this 256 that we got that are equal, we are going to write it as, in place of this 2, we are going to write 256. And then in place of this 1/32, in place of this 32, we're also going to put the 256. So we say raised to power 1/256. So now you can see that the numbers are equal. And that will be equal to x, that is the right hand side now, x raised to power 1 all over x. So now we can compare now. You can see that this is 256 and this is 256. This is x and this is x. So the values here are equal and the values here are equal. So comparing them, we can simply say that x, we can conclude now by saying therefore x is equal to 256. So this is the trick for solving equations like this, for solving questions like this. So please take note of this and try it even differently with another kind of answer or another kind of question. I would like you to try out this one. This one says 3 raised to power x is equal to x raised to the power 9. So this is a question I would like you to try and give me the answer in the comment section. Please use this method of multiplying this, whatever you multiply by this 9, and then you raise this 3 to. So a value that you raise this 3 to, and when you multiply 9 by that value, they are equal. That is what exactly you need to do in order to solve this question. So please try this out and let me know the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not done that already, and I'll see you in my next video.